My name is Kareem. I go to school at the University of Waterloo.
I'm Sharif. I'm studying mechanical engineering at the University of Georgia.
My name is Eaton. I go to Niagara College, Canada, and I'm in the Mechanical Engineering Technology program.
My name is Pradun. I'm going to Niagara College and I'm studying mechanical engineering.
What I've done here so far is a lot of inventor work with gear pump models. So we've done a lot of modeling for Parker gear pumps.
I started a class at my school on Autodesk Inventor, and I thought I had some understanding, but when I came here I realized there's so much more to learn. I got much better at designing things in ways that somebody could go in after and modify different aspects of a part.
I've been given the opportunity to work with many things such as construction attachments, cylinder repair, and now I'm working on the configurator as well, to be able to get a customer request in and then generate a 3D model of a gear pump.
What I have done here so far is I've been working with Inventor, and I was also included in a project with CNC machining. Yeah, and for the CNC machining, it was to machine the ports on the bearing carriers.
I think our biggest accomplishment so far is making a usable configurator that we're still working on, still tweaking, but really happy with the work we've done so far.
Some of my accomplishments here, I've been able to design jigs and fixtures to help with the installation of certain products.
What I've accomplished is trying to automate that process. I'm working on one specific part of a hydraulic gear pump configurator in which you can change ports, and through designing them initially I learned what was easy, what was difficult, and how to organize the code that we learned to write to make it easier for other people to do the same thing that I'm doing.
And the favorite part was to use iLogic to drive the parts in and making a configurator.
I've enjoyed the challenge. It's definitely been like a big learning experience. I did not have much, experience with 3D modeling or 3D like automation before this, and I've learned pretty much all of that on the job. So I've been very happy with that.
I think my favorite thing so far is being able to program inside of Inventor, to use coding to help drive our CAD.
I would say just learning how to present my ideas. I think a lot of the time when somebody gives you a task, it's easy to get caught up with every idea you have, but when you're in a business, you have to communicate in a way that other people can understand and is practical. You have to say concrete steps. I have to make this step and then this step and this step, and this is the result. And just learning to organize that and communicate better, I feel, is the most important thing I've learned.